I'm from Northeast Wheels Events at the 2014 Neffsville Car Show put on by the Rotary Club. We are looking at a real great rat rod truck. We're going to take a quick view, nice walk around. We've got dinner being cooked as we speak. Hate to say it, but yes, that's real zebra skin. And that is the product used to keep it in such wonderful condition. Flathead with the bedpan. And keep that bedpan in mind. Yes, it does have an aluminum radiator and updated electronics because it is reliable. All sorts of features. Take that, Rolls Royce. You have a bumblechute dryer. Al has a toaster. Now take a look at the steering wheel. Mary was very popular in here. There's the interior heat. You got tin cups. And of course the dump body. Hand cranked. Still has the original mechanical brakes. All the accoutrements from traps to corn huskers or separators, vise, sharpeners, supercharger. Oh, sorry about that. I guess that would be the rumble seat. And of course, a rubber chicken. More of the zebra skin. Gotta get those teeth working, crank them up. And to complement the bedpan, of course, the paperwork. Although the dipstick's on the other side, which makes it a little bit easier to remember your paper. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2014 Neffsville Car Show put on by the Rotary Club. Support your local Rotary and check your wheels weekly.